Hey guys, what is up?
Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we've got a massive headline that I would love to share with you guys because at the moment we are all seeking motivation. We need it so badly. So here it is. Now, this article says how a SHIB investor made $23 million with a $2,200 investment. So that is very, very interesting. When did this happen? How? Why? Who? All these questions need to be answered here in this article. Now, the cryptocurrency market has been going through a tough period all throughout the year. The prolonged bear market has been pulled down by an array of unforeseen events. Even though several investors who entered during the last bull run are currently in the red, a handful of them made smart moves to stay in profit. You have probably heard of meme coins and their stories, including Shiba Inu turning a small investment into millions of dollars. Not all are this lucky, but those who got their hands on it early turned out to make millions from their smart investment. Look on-chain and on-chain analysts recently analyzed the transactions of a SHIB investor. The analysis revealed that the smart investor turned a $2,200 investment into almost $23 million in just 2 years. Let us look at how the investor managed to make millions. So here we've got a screenshot, very, very interesting stuff. Here we've got another one, the smart money bought 3.49 trillion SHIB at a cost of 2.37 ETH. Okay, 2,233 at the time by Uniswap in 2020. He spent 1.83 ETH to buy 2.27 trillion SHIB and bought 1.22 trillion SHIB via address. So here we've got all the screenshots of all the transactions if you don't believe it. Now, the user caught the eyes of Luke on chain when he or she transferred 207.2 billion in SHIB to Binance. Following the transfer, SHIB dropped in value by 3%. The Anon user bought 3.49 trillion SHIB in 2020 via Uniswap for 2.37 ETH. The SHIB investor bought that SHIB in separate transactions. One transaction involved 1.83 ETH and purchased 2.27 trillion SHIB. Another transaction involved the purchase of 1.22 trillion SHIB with a 0.54 ETH investment. Okay, so again, we have here proof. The smart money bought at 3.49 trillion SHIB at a cost of 2.37. This is how much he spent. The address. After SHIB rose sharply from April 2021, the smart money began to sell SHIB. He has transferred a total of 2.94 trillion SHIB since April 13, 2021. If he sells SHIB at that price he transferred out of SHIB, he will get $18.3 million. Okay. Now, the investor held on to his investment until April 2021, but decided to sell as Shiba Inu started falling in price. He or she then started selling Shiba Inu and has held over 2.94 trillion SHIB since April 13, 2021. Luke on chain suggested that if the holder had sold all the Shiba Inu during that time, he or she would have made $18.3 million back. The investor still holds 0.55 trillion Shiba Inu at press time. Well, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, this was one of the best decisions that the person could have made. You know, bought it at the right time, held it and sold it, and was at the right moment, had the confidence in crypto. I mean, the type of confidence we have now in crypto is not the same confidence that they had back in the days, okay? 2 years ago was very different. A year ago is different. With every year, there is definitely more confidence, more exposure, meaning more people start understanding, accepting crypto. But before, I mean, less people accepted crypto. And I know that we were going through a lot of turbulence, a lot of mess, but still people have started to accept crypto. And Shiba Inu was nothing, just a meme coin back in the day. So whoever bought it were kind of, you know, in my opinion, were gambling also a little bit, because who knows? No one really knew what was going to happen with SHIB. It's very, very hard to predict with cryptos, but this shows that anything is possible. The upside is so large. I mean, look, this person invested $2,200. Yes, I mean, potentially there was a high risk of losing it, but you know, it's not such a big sum in comparison to what they made. So this is the point with cryptos, is that the upside is so large. And if you are investing, you should only invest the money you can afford to lose. And in this case, it looks like this person really understood that, you know, perhaps that investment could have been that lucky shot, and it did pay off big time. But I know a lot of people that have also lost money, so you never know. These are just the stories of success. There's very few of them, but they do exist, and it could happen to you as well. So you never know. This is my point here. But it looks like Shiba Inu is growing. We've got a lot of developments from a fundamental analysis point of view. I think great things will be happening. Okay, I don't know if we're going to see such massive returns with millions of % of return, but what I can tell you for sure is that the layer 2 solutions coming out, we've got more social media exposure, demand's going to be growing, so all this stuff is definitely going to pump up the price, and you could be taking some nice profits back. But you should only invest the money that you can afford to lose, so money that you can afford to forget about as well, because this is a long-term investment. I don't want you guys to be just checking out the charts every single second there and back. I mean, it can get you know, kind of demotivating. But either way, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, because I am going to produce all the content that you guys need. All the information, all that stuff is here. So subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and also comment down below. What are you thinking? What are you doing? What's going on through your investments within the SHIB ecosystem? Let me know, and what are your thoughts in regards to this story? So as usual, I just want to say big thank you to everyone. Appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.